Yo, good morning. We are on our way to Laguna Beach. I've got my Milwaukee sweater. This thing is nice, 100-year collection. And we are on our way to do a backflow test and a miscellaneous task. For some reason, which isn't like me, I normally put in estimate notes. And for whatever reason, I don't have them on this job, so I forgot what I'm doing. So that'll be interesting to find that out. But we are doing a backflow test. So yeah, man, I will see you at the job. Enjoy a little bit of the drive. $1.9. All right, we finished up that job. Backflow device was in the bushes, like you saw. Luckily, it wasn't too bad. and it was a DC. Thankful it wasn't an RP, because then I'd have to be going through the side. But yeah, passed the test. And then a customer had a mow and flow device that needed to be swapped out. Gave him the minimum charge on that one since he was providing it and it was already installed. So yeah, everything went good, and now I'm on my way to another backflow test, and I'll see you at the job. All right, we are leaving that backflow test, and we are leaving Laguna Beach. Wait till you see these views. Check these views out, bro. Give me a minute. I mean, most people don't know, dude. Laguna Beach is built on like hilltops, mountains, canyons. The views are pretty crazy. But anyway, so yeah, the RP passed. I had concerns because she was initially telling me it was actively leaking, but it wasn't. So ran the test, it passed. We'll get it submitted, and then she'll be good to go. I got kind of an emergency call. I'm gonna try to squeeze in right now. There's a surgical center that we've done work for. We've done a lot of work for, actually, and they need a drain clean. I guess there's a stoppage at one of their sinks, so we are gonna pick up some drain equipment and we're gonna head out to the surgical center and try to get that taken care of before our last call, which is a gas line repair. So see you at the surgical center, man. Psych. All right, dude, we are actually going to the gas job first, and then we will be going to the drain clean, assuming that I get out of this repair at a respectable time. We're going to be opening up a stucco wall, and we're going to be kind of fixing up the penetration that's coming out to the supply on the exterior side of the wall. You'll see when we get there. A GC kind of used a bunch of unions, nipples, and 90s to get it to where the new line was installed, and we're gonna just try to clean it up. Hopefully I can get it coming straight out of the wall and then use a 90 and a 45. That's my hope. But we will see, man. See if that works out. So stay tuned. So because of how this comes out and how this is a slant, the only way to correct was to bring that over and then lift that side up to make that plumb. All right, we are wrapped up, and just got all, oh, it looks like my other camera just died. Look at that. So you're just gonna be looking at me right now. That took a little longer than expected. Soaped everything down, everything looked good, and then when I went in to test the fireplace, there was nothing. Turned out the gas that feeds it is capped. So we are on our way right now back to drop off some stuff, pick up some drain equipment, and we're gonna go do this call at the surgical center. So I'll see you there, man. All right, man, we are done with that. We are done for the day. So that drain clean, you know, I tried the air snake at first, didn't work. I had to remove the P-trap. All the blockage was right there at the trap, right as it enters into the trap arm. The reason why is because there is a ton of hard scale in that piece of galvanized pipe. So once it 90s up into that pipe, man, it is hard. So there's really not much I can do. I got to clear, it's draining. I ran water for 10 minutes, didn't back up, but they're gonna need to extract that piece of pipe and then try to get some chains in there. And hopefully just that buildup is on that piece of galvanized pipe on the trap arm. So we'll see. But yeah, man, we will return. I'll send them an estimate to do that, and at least they're flowing. So we're done for the day. See you tomorrow, man. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to Disney Club 33, dude. So I'll try to get some photos, try to get some video of that experience, and I'll post it. But yeah, anyway, have a good night.